Bonjour, this is Captain Philip with Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky. And tonight we have a very special tour as we visit Paris, France, and we find out how did it get its nickname, the City of Light. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. We are clear for takeoff, so sit back, grab your wine, and enjoy Paris at night. So, how did Paris get its nickname, the City of Light? Well, the obvious answer is because there are over 300 illuminated sites in Paris, including historical landmarks, churches, hotels, and more. Of the 37 major bridges that cross the Seine River, 33 are illuminated by sunset, making Paris one of the most romantic cities on Earth. And we can't forget about the Eiffel Tower. Paris' most famous monument shines like a beacon each night with 25 miles or 40 kilometers of illuminated garlands made up of 20,000 light bulbs. In 1667, Paris was one of the first European cities to incorporate street lighting, when King Louis XVI put in measures to add lanterns on every major street in the city in order to reduce crime. However, the nickname would gain steam during the Enlightenment age in the 1700s, when Paris became a bastion of education and ideas, inspiring and attracting philosophers, engineers, poets, scientists, and revolutionaries. Thus, it was through innovation and enlightenment that helped reinforce the symbolic significance of Paris as the City of Light. If you enjoyed tonight's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, make sure to share some of your best memories in Paris in the comment section below. And make sure to check out some of our other night tours as well. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.